Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education with Frank Avella, Wraparound Service Plans in an Educational Setting. Let's try and support emotional and behavioral students with an encouraging network. Here is the scenario for you. Let's say there is this one student that just will not behave in the classroom. No matter what the teacher or parent or principal does, this student continues to cause disruption. The same question comes up time and time again. What do we do about this? How do we get this student to behave? The answer is that it takes a collective effort. Teamwork makes the dream work. You don't have to solve every problem by yourself. Remember, the saying goes, it takes a village to raise a child. So what are the aims and goals of wraparound services? Wraparound plans should address school, home, safety, social, emotions. With these children, educators must also make an effort to see that they are safe and supported even outside of the school. Now, in most cases, these plans usually involve a wraparound services coordinator. This person leads the way and gets everyone on board. They know collaboration is key to success. The coordinator is responsible for involving and keeping involved teachers, family members, coaches, and anyone else important in the child's life. So let's dive into some of the plan's actual components. When building a wraparound services plan, you want to build it upon the strengths and weaknesses of the student. Can be in the child's academics, social life, etc. and so forth. With these children, oftentimes their basic needs are not being met. Think of Maslow's hierarchy of human needs. Do these children have adequate food and clothing? Do they have shelter? You must plan steps and assign responsibility to everyone involved in the plan. Detailed planning is important because people get busy and they forget about the child, which is often the problem in the first place. The plan must execute interventions. For example, a child may need adequate transportation to get to school, a quiet place to read. They may need a place to sleep at night. You might have to help them sign up for school lunch. Or the school might even have to lend out a laptop. Let's take a look at the stages to develop a transition plan. Stage 1 is team formation. In this stage, you basically look for individuals that care for the potential child and are willing to make an effort to improve that child's life. Phase 2 is the planning stage. Here you want to give everyone involved a voice, as each member knows something personal about the child. Phase 3 is the implementation of the plan. Here the coordinator must oversee the action of the plan, keep an eye on everyone, and also evaluate the effectiveness of the plan. And lastly, phase 4 is transition. You don't want wraparound service plans to last forever. Hopefully the child is able to grow and make the right decisions by themselves. Right now I want to say thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Links to wraparound services information will be posted below shortly.